Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Hayya ala salat. Hayya ala salat. Hayya ala falah. Hayya ala falah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. قل أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
There's a lot to be said about this. I could establish a school on metaphysics and esotericism, and I guarantee you I'd be a billionaire in about 2 months. I guarantee it. I'd be a billionaire in 2 months. Say, well, why don't you go and do that, buddy, man? I can't do that. God will destroy me for doing that. I have to use it for the purpose, not to make money. See, she would recite the lessons to me in my ears before I even learned to speak. My mother told me that. Yes? So I'm a creation, not of this world. And that's a fact. That's real. I'm a creation, not of this world. No. And I was produced from and for my Father. Produced from Him and for His future. The future of His community. Yes? And now, God has put into my hands, what I mean by that, into my mental grasp, mind's grasp. He has put into my mind's grasp all the hidden things that He left with my Father, Honorable Elijah Muhammad. And it's powerful. Now you all let these snakes among us. Yeah, some of them, right in this time right now, they tell you, well, I love thee, ma'am. And He gives us, what He gives us best is the Qur'an and the Sunnah of the Prophet. And now He's made a complete turnaround. I don't even know, I can't understand what he's doing now. I don't know where he's coming from. It was working well for us, got us where we are now. Why this change? What is the change? I haven't changed. No, I haven't changed. Long time ago, I told you all that Mr. Farad had a strategy. And I told you all that I had grown to see that his intentions were good. Told you this years ago. At least 10 years ago. Yes? So this ain't no change. But now they are greatly disturbed because I am addressing the teachings of W F Muhammad or W D Farad. Greatly disturbed. Why are they so disturbed? Because they never openly followed my leadership.